I'm going to teach you how to clean a .357 Smith and Weston revolver. And so yeah, first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that it is not loaded, which it isn't. Then you want to turn it over, get your screwdriver and unscrew this flathead screw. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to take this out again, and then you want to pop it out like that, and then you want to take the yoke out of the cylinder. Then what you want to do is you want to clean the cylinder with your brush in and out in every cylinder. And once you've done that, you want to insert your cloth into this thing, and then you want to do the same. Then you want to take your cloth out of this tool, and you want to put a new cloth in for whenever we want to clean the barrel. Then you want to spray your rim oil into the barrel. Then once you have done that, you want to put your brush through and then take it out, and then you want to get your cloth, push it through, and then take it out. Then right here on the revolver, you want to get your rim oil again and spray that. Then you want to get your other brush and you want to brush that out. Then you want to spray your rim oil on the outside of the yoke, and then you want to get your dirty t-shirt and make sure that it's clean by going around it. And while you also have your dirty t-shirt, you want to go through the back of here, make sure it's cleaned out. Then once you have done that, you want to put the yoke back into the cylinder. Then you want to put it back into the gun. You want to pop the cylinder back in, and then you want to screw the screwdriver back into the gun, and then you know how to clean a .357 Smith and Weston revolver. Stop.